Hello everyone, you're welcome to Learn Maths with me. In this channel, I'll be taking you through in-depth tutorials covering a wide range of topics from basic arithmetic to advanced maths. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also drop any questions for me in the comments. Today we want to take a look at simultaneous equations. By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to solve systems of two linear equations in two variables algebraically. Simultaneous equations are two or more algebraic equations that can be solved at the same time. So linear simultaneous equations with two unknown variables can be solved by using the following methods: the elimination method, the substitution method, or the graphical method. In this lesson, we'll focus on solving linear simultaneous equations algebraically using the elimination method. What do we mean by elimination method? When you have two or more equations, in this elimination method, we eliminate one variable by either adding or subtracting the equations. So this leaves us with one equation and one variable, which will be easy for us to solve. We have two examples on the screen: x plus 4y is equals to 6, x plus 3y is equals to 4. So we subtract one of the equations from the other to take off the x, and then we have y is equals to 2. We can then plug in the values of y into either of these equations to solve for x. The same thing with the other equation: x plus 2y is equals to 6, 3x minus 2y is equals to 10. When we add these two equations together, the plus 2y and the minus 2y crosses off each other. So we are left with 4x is equals to 16. So let's take a look at this example. We have 5x plus 2y is equals to 24. And then we have 3x plus 2y is equals to 16. By subtracting the second equation from the first equation, we'll be left with 5x minus 3x will give us 2x, 2y minus 2y crosses off, then 24 minus 16 gives 8. So we have 2x is equals to 8, and then we have x is equals to 4. So we can plug in the value of x into either equation 1 or equation 2 so that we can get the value of y. So x being equals to 4, if we are plugging it in into equation 1, we have 5 multiplied by 4 plus 2y is equals to 24. So that's 20 plus 2y is equals to 24. So my 2y is equals to 24 minus 20, and that is equals to 4. So my y will be equals to 2. So I've been able to solve for x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. Example 2, we have 2x minus 2y is equals to negative 6, x plus 2y is equals to 3. Taking a look at the two equations, if we add them up, the minus 2y and the plus 2y crosses off each other. So we have 2x plus x will give us 3x, minus 6 plus 3 will give us minus 3. 3x is equals to minus 3. That leaves me with x being equals to minus 1. So I'll plug in the values of x equals to minus 1 into either of the equation to be able to get the value of my y. So if I solve this, 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2y is equals to minus 6. So 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2y is equals to minus 6. Then I have that my minus 2y will be equals to minus 6 plus 2, which is minus 4. So my y will be equals to minus 4 divided by minus 2, and that will give me 2. So my x is minus 1 and my y is 2. I have this practice questions for you. Do you want to pause the video and try it out before you go on to the next slides? So these are the answers. If you have any questions, kindly drop it for me in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.